Even familiar animals indulge in strange activities. Cats from far and wide are irresistibly drawn to this seemingly insignificant plant. In the presence of catweed, they do the unexpected. They not only eat its flowers, they rub, sniff, and chew its leaves. Cats are strangely addicted to this frequent herb. They return for the fix of the Hades spent again and again. Its aromatic oils make them frisky and playful. As they fall deeper under its influence, they move in strange and odd ways. As well as rolling around apparently in ecstasy, they chase imaginary mice. This odd behavior is triggered by chemicals resembling those in tomcat urine. Coating females writhe in this provocative way, but strangely, catweed affects both sexes. Cats even inherited this sensitivity. 3/4 are affected in some way. This journey shows how natural chemicals influence animal behavior. Catweed.com